For the last 5+ years, I have been using an ADV Tribe oil cooler guard. It did its job perfectly and is still in great condition. But today, I am switching to a genuine Royal Enfield OEM accessory, the silver oil cooler radiator guard. Let's quickly open the box and see what we get. Inside, we have the silver oil cooler guard with a clean brushed finish, perfectly matching the Interceptor's retro look. Overall, the build quality feels solid, with proper powder coating and smooth edges, exactly what you expect from OEM accessories. You also get the required mounting bolts, so no need to source anything extra. Just to be clear, this is not a replacement because my old guard failed. This upgrade is purely for aesthetics and OEM fitment. If you prefer factory finished parts that blend seamlessly with the bike, this Royal Enfield guard makes a lot of sense. Installation is straightforward and beginner friendly. Mount points for ADV Tribe was a bit different, but this guard will directly sit on radial tour mount. It took me barely 10 minutes using basic tools. Insert the existing or new rubber grommets on new oil cooler guard. Everything lines up perfectly with factory mounting points, and the fit is spot on. Once installed, the silver oil cooler guard looks clean and premium. It offers solid protection from stones and debris while maintaining proper airflow. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, OEM quality oil cooler guard for your Interceptor 650, this one ticks all the boxes. Price and buying link are in the description. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to Gadget Wheels, and I will see you in the next one.